You're ugly.
What are you looking for, partner? Who are ya? Dear God.
It is you. Coming. And what is this supposed to be?
This is the thing that you sent me for.
What thing you say? Ah yes, the salvage. Most valuable thing in this world.
And don't worry, Scout and everyone out there. My partner the medic is taking care of them right now.
You and your partner have earned your money. Now go on and rest. I will take care.
What are you looking at, Fireman? Keep walking.
God. Yeah, let's see your little bit pissed off. Ain't you, mate? You do know what you did, am I right?
What?
Your partner, mate. He's with him. He's a traitor too.
Alright, Bushman. What are you even talking about?
You will see it soon, mate. Just keep an eye on him, and you'll notice.
Feel this, Aina.
Don't worry, Scott. I will enter, and you're going to be around, okay?
Alright, but do it quickly. What are you doing back here, maggot?
I'm just back from the storage room. I've gathered a couple of things.
Sure. What do you got here, anyway? Mighty Lover from America! That's it, medic! What the fuck is all of this?
These are just some baboon organs. I need them for my investigation.
Alright, you crazy fuck. No, you better go in and there before you blow your head up. Alright, engineer, let him in.
As you wish, sir.
Back inside, go.
First cut, we're here. I think no one followed us down here. But just to make sure, I'll make some noise. Yeah, just to make sure of what? What are you doing, man? I'm still waiting. Not so far. My beautiful head! What the hell is wrong with you, medic? What? The fact that no one have come down the stairs means that no one followed us. It's called science. No, it's not. What the hell did you bring me here? Did you expect me to leave you bleeding in the rain? Yeah, I would prefer that. I do not know what I'm doing, Scott. But I cannot let this be this way anymore. Someone needs to make the change. Yeah, if you don't forget it, engineer tried to make change. I know he's dead. That's what always happens. I know, but not this time. Because no, I've got a plan. And for that, I need people. And I know what to do is there. But don't worry, I will take care of that. No, stay here and rest. I will lock the door so no one enters. Be quiet and rest. I will see you soon.
Now there is your stuff.